We are playing Reject, and I have a 6-sided die, and Ashley has a 6-sided die. I'm going to actually change things up now, though. And since this time we've had a rehearsal round, I'm going to have a 10-sided die so we can get numbers all the way up to 10. That will make it more exciting. So I'm going to give you a random number between 0 and 9, and you're going to tell me where to put it in your number. And I need to label again who is who. So we have Ashley Ann, Jaden. You can tell me using the laser pointer, like put it here. You can put something in text chat for the Zoom. You can write it in yourself if you want to be brave using a mouse, since you don't have the little pad I do. And Savannah. But however you want, you're going to tell me where this number goes. Let's see if I can write Kayleen's name better. She deserves better than that. Okay. Here we go. The first number we have is an 8. So tell me where you want to put an 8. An 8 goes there. Savannah says thousands. So tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands is there. Okay, and Kayleen made a marker. Everyone picked the same. Okay, maybe this will be a tie. Next, we have a 3. Where do you want your 3 to go? Three in the reject spot, so it won't count. Okay, I'm sorry. If you said something, Kayleen or Savannah, I was looking the other way. Reject, says Savannah. There, okay, 3. I'm rolling again. Now we have another 8. There, an 8. Okay, Ashley Ann is holding on for a 9 to try and win. Savannah, hundreds, you said. Okay, so you are 8. I'll roll again. A 0. Not very exciting. 0 there, 0 there. Okay, a 3. And then lastly, an 8 again. Well, 3 8s, it's not very exciting. Okay, so only one spot left. I'll put the 8s in real quick. So Jaden and Kayleen tie with the biggest number. Ta-da! So that is the game Reject. Your homework is to do this again. So we played it as a class, but find at least one other person and play this game. You don't have to load up the Jamboard. You can just write it on a piece of paper, use a 6-sided die or a 10-sided die. If you don't have dice, there's a website here that will just pretend to roll dice for you. So you can't complain to me that you don't have dice. And there's some fun free phone apps that actually make good noise and rattle around like dice too. So play this game with someone else when it's this homework assignment. At the end, there's questions. Again, you're not going to screenshot this. You're probably just going to type into text or email. What made this an interesting game? How much is it luck? How much is it skill? When you're playing with only 2 people, is there a secret strategy that would allow you to not always win if you know the strategy and go first? And how does the game change if it's played with more than 2 people? A lot, not at all. So those are your homework things. We've done the first few pages, but always the last 2, page 5 and 6. And why is there a 7? Somebody made a 7. Let's get rid of 7 so we're not confused. Okay, that's all for that one.